All right, again. Good morning, everyone. This is Forex day by day. We're gonna see what the goal is doing and what can we expect for the rest of the week. This is a midweek analysis. I am a swing trader, so sometimes I could be in a trade for a few days. Okay, let's see what the goal is doing. Today is December 17. Is uh 9/11. Holy shit, 9/11. Uh, Wednesday, 9/11, New York time. Okay, here we go. This is I'm going to introduce in English now. I've done it in Spanish for a while. I have about 200 videos in my channel. It's called Forest Day by Day. Now I switching also in English so I can get more videos done. Okay, here we go. Our system is a three-dimensional system plus astrology. Anything that had to do with price, I will see it. If I drop a pineapple from 1 meter from the floor at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and that will give me 100 times than the market change, that is a valid experiment to me. Okay, here we go. Let's start the analysis with price action. The first element of the system is to identify a space, the final frontier. Here we go. To do that, we use a standard deviation channel. Why? Because it's a statistical analysis. This is 1 month. We can see the price is overboard in this level. It's bouncing around the 1.6 standard deviation channel. Let's see. This is standard deviation channel 1 degree. We have 1 degree, 2 degree, and 3 degree. We're gonna see at least 2 or 3 of these elements. I use the technique of layering information for different things. We can see that the high of the month is matching this double top here. So what do you think is gonna happen here? I think it's already happening. Oh yeah, it's coming down right now. See it on the other screen. All right, here we go. What we had, the larger expansion is 3.6. All right. That complete my element of a space. We see that the space is overextended here. You can use pivot or pivot points. You can use that. But I use directly lines on the board so I can see what's going on. Here, we can see the price is moving in there for a while. Now, let's plot the time element of the equation. To do that, we use a software technique. This is a square of 9. This was designed by Gann, famous Gann trader. And what he did, he took a pyramid and developed some type of calculation, then a spiral calculation like that. You see the colors that are a little darker? These are the strongest point or support or resistance. We see that from the 15 to 17 to 19, we have a space of heavy resistance according to the calculation again. So what we do, we plot it on the chart because we want to see the interaction of this phenomenon, okay? Zero, zero. Oh no, this is 15, sorry. 0, 0. Well, hello. Now, insert object, vertical line is the 19, okay? 15, 19. What I've done? No, it's 12 here. 12, 19, 0, 0. Now we have our time element. According to Gann, when the price enter this zone, this time zone, we can expect a reversal. All right. So we have time and space pretty much happening right here. All right. We have a reasonable expectancy that the price will bounce from there. I don't have a signal yet, but I observing this phenomenon. Okay. Now let's verify this with volume, which is the third element. Everything happened: price, time, and volume. What else is in there? All right. Let's measure it. All right. Even though we have very unsophisticated computer system, we can do pretty crazy stuff. All right. Let's measure 30 days. All right, here we go. Right now, you see the volume. This is the midpoint, came down, and you can see actually a little bit of response. Now, I don't put too much attention to this because it's not ready. It's not settled yet. I want to see this baby here. The way I see this, impulse retracement. This is what the market do. No matter what you read, is impulse retracement, impulse retracement. So I can see impulse. Now I look for a relevant body. Let's say this one here. All right. And what do you know? Volume confirmed here. This zone of resistance. So we have a space, time, and value telling me here I have a reasonable expectation to reverse. Why do I say reasonable expectation? Because I know the way we use this system is first touch. The moment the price touch this one, sell, stop loss, sell, stop loss, third standard deviation channel. In that way, you can calculate your risks and use this system. The other way is to wait for an oscillator to give you entrance here. You wait for the price to get in and emerge from that with some sort of oscillator. Okay. Now, the fourth element that I added recently was astrology. All right. I know it sounds funny, but I don't care. I'm going to measure it. If I don't see it, it doesn't exist. All right. Let's see it. Gann tells me that the lunar position, can you see it in the background, is waning crescent. What the hell does that mean? Waning crescent, reflection, release, reduction, downtrend. Can you see this? Bearish sediment. Holy crap, what do we see here? We already, based on this, have a bearish sediment here. This thing is coming down. Well, I want to know that, people. Anything that had to do with price, I want to know. Now, let's see another woo-woo element, as it's called in the field, because the planets. Watch this, people. You see this formation right now? This is called a square. I have 1, 2, 3 planets in a square with these 2 planets. This means reversal. What else I have here? I have Uranus and the moon in opposition. What does that mean? Reversal. Well, guys, I don't know you, but I can see right now that the price of gold is dropping. Now, watch this here. We are studying this. I had to do minimum of 100 trades using this system to see if in fact astrology have any effect on this. The hypothesis is when planets do this alignment, there is a change in the market. Oh yeah? Let's see it. I do not gonna discard anything, people. I'm sorry. I think it's stupid. I'm gonna look at it. Right? I have a big portfolio. I have 22 instruments. These affect everyone, not only the gold as we can see here. Now, is that true? Let's check it out. Let's go here, and let's go here, and let's go markets. Down SP 500 down, Dow Jones down, Nasdaq going up, Russell 2000 down, 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 down. So hello, is this a coincidence? It could be a coincidence. Now, when a coincidence is no longer a coincidence, when you see what? A pattern. We see a pattern continuously happen every time you do this. Well, guess what, people? I want to test this, because anything that help me to do my trade, I'm going to check it out. In conclusion, midweek analysis for the gold US dollar is going down, people. It's going down, at least to the middle of this channel. Will this happen today? I hope so. Oh, wait a minute. It's 9:25, 9:30 New York market open, and we may have some spike in there. All right, again, this is my analysis for the gold midweek analysis. See you guys later. Please like my video and subscribe. It's absolutely free. I do this. I used to do it every day, but it's taking a lot of energy to do so many videos every day. So I'm doing a projection. I'm sorry, I apologize. Every week, and now at the middle of the week to follow, because this will produce trades that are pretty long. Oh, let me show you. Let's put period separator. You see, if I do this video somewhere around here, I mean, if I do this trade here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, almost a month in this trade, which is sweet. Because after this is established, every time I pull back, you buy, and so forth and so on. Okay? So this trade could last a few months here. And I love that, because you don't have to be in the computer all the time, even though I do. I have nothing to do. I am a retired banker for New York. I always do that joke, because I know a guy that said that. I am a retired banker for New York. I work on Broadway and Wall Street for 20 years selling hot dogs. All right, again, if you're in New York, you know what I'm talking about. All right, again, good luck today. I hope you make some money in there, and I hope you subscribe or give me a like. If you make a couple of bucks, let me help the old Francisco. Dedito para arriba. Bye, guys. Good luck today. Bye.